Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Here we're going to be looking at the product rule. So what we have here is if f of x equals g of x multiplied by h of x, then the derivative is going to equal g prime of x multiplied by h of x plus g of x multiplied by h prime of x. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into our first problem here. So we'll have f of x equals x squared times x cubed. Now we could solve this by simplifying and using the power rule, but for the purposes of this video we're just going to use the product rule. So we'll take the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, multiplied by x cubed. So we'll add it to x squared multiplied by 3x squared. And that's our derivative, but we can simplify some more here. So 2x times x cubed is just going to give us 2x to the fourth. And x squared times 3x squared is going to give us 3x to the fourth. And 2x to the fourth plus 3x to the fourth is going to give us 5x to the fourth for our answer. Here's another problem. So we'll have f of x equals sine of x multiplied by 5x squared. The derivative of sine of x is just going to be cosine of x. And then we'll multiply that by 5x squared. And plus, and then we'll keep sine of x the same, multiplied by the derivative of 5x squared, which is 10x. Now we can simplify our derivative here. We can pull a 5x out of both terms here. So we'll have 5x times x cosine of x plus 2 sine of x. Okay, here's our next problem. We'll have 1 divided by x multiplied by 3x cubed. Now we can just think of 1 over x as x to the negative first power. So we'll go ahead and take the derivative of x to the negative first power. And we'll get negative x to the negative second. Now we can keep going from here, but if we put x in our denominator, we can change the negative 2 power to a positive 2 power. And then we can multiply by 3x cubed, and then plus, and then this time we'll leave the 1 over x alone, and we'll take the derivative of 3x cubed, which will give us 9x squared. So from here we can go ahead and simplify our derivative. On the left side we can go ahead and multiply those two terms together. So that will leave us with negative 3x. And on the right side, 9x squared divided by x will just leave us with 9x. And that'll give us our derivative of 6x.